Okay, first you want to have GIMP. Next, what you want to do is go into your pictures and go to your template you got. Then open it up. Next, you want to go to the toolbox, click the lasso tool, and make any design you want, like somewhat like this. And then you want to bring it back here. Then you want to click something else like this. Then you get any color you want, color this in. Next, you want to click this, and then you want to zoom in closely to get in exactly with the black colors. For me, there's some gaps a little bit, so I decided to go with the black, and yeah, for this. So then you want to have Paint on Net installed. And then you want to copy and paste this, get into Paint on Net, make a new window, and put it in. You want to get the magic tool and then delete it so we can put it on the car. And then you want to copy and paste this, put it on here, then flip it. And then this is the right side of the car, so you save the file and you name it like R1. That will be L1. And then you add it to your Roblox car, and that's how you make it. I'll show you in a minute. So the biggest problem about this is when you add context. I know I didn't show you guys how to add that, but when you add like some sort of thing, they do get moderated, so be aware of that. And like Roblox added this new feature where you add the same decal, it's just gonna get moderated automatically. So I'm just gonna get my file in. I'm just gonna name it P1. I'm gonna name the other one Q1. Okay, it's inappropriate, so then we name it to L1. Actually, no, I'm just gonna name it LL1. Then you get into your studio place. Okay, so now since you are on studio, what you do is you go to my decals. You put your decal right there. You put your other one right here. Sorry. Yeah, but you do that exact moment. And yeah, that's how you basically make decal schemes. I forgot to mention, what else for how to add numbers. So how you add numbers is, you go to File, you open up, and this is for Paint.net, not get Paint.net. And then you select any number. Just gonna select the 75 as an example. Then you wait for it to open up. You copy and paste it, Control C, and then you paste it in. Oh wait, hold up. And then you keep canvas. And then you see this at the end. These are for meant to like scale it just a bit to make it look good. This goes for adding context as well. So thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make decal schemes, and let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do more of this. Thank you and goodbye.